Let's see. Last year was Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I hear Halloween. I can feel Halloween. Thank you. Oh, you can force me to a maze. Sorry, goodbye.
Oh, seriously, you have to figure out the right path?
No, not that kind of maze. A Halloween maze.
Oh, so is it like...
Just walk on through.
Okay, so there's just one path.
Which way do we go?
Let's all go separate ways. I'm going this way.
No. Come, dude, come. Looks like we're on our own, dude. Come on.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I wonder where... Oh.
You lifted up my shirt.
Where'd he go? There you guys are. Whoa. Hey.
I went into the other path of the maze. And Michael Myers attacked me.
Welcome to the Psycho House.
Right here. No one will drag me out of it. Least of all, my snake.
Not Whoa. Your neighbor seems nice.
Dude, he almost stabbed you in the ball.
I know. All right, you went the right way, you went the left. Let's trade.
Both sides are open. Both sides.
Two Michaels in that corner. Whoa. I'm getting forced to the other side. Whoa. Ooh, that was close. All of the Michaels seem to be after me this year. Oh yeah, we got distracted.
Don't want to get your hands dirty. Need your mother to do it for you. Don't tell me to shut up, you miserable.
Your neighbor is nice.
Attention! This is Captain McAllister of the National Guard. Remain in your houses. Repeat, do not go outside. The National Guard has surrounded the area and... Holy Christ, what's that?
Are you pumped over down there? Sir, yes, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Wait, where are they? I'm gonna see.
Dude, don't keep moving forward. Don't go grab us. Okay, don't grab. Well, then don't grab me. I'll try you for dinner.
Kitty, 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 kitty. Hey, kitty, 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 kitty. Ow, kitty, meow.
What's up? That's a good one.
Yeah. I'm trying to figure out what happened. But I'm seeing so much green, it looks like it's a toxic waste thing. But I hear sounds of war.
Come on, Chris.
Oh, nice.
Anybody good?
But that didn't let us...
What if somebody just opened up the blinds right now? Banged on the window. No, I want to do the Ricky Bobby. You ran away. I'll follow you. I'll follow you.
No mercy! Your turn. My turn, and he snorts. Wow. I'm getting a lot of views tonight. So that's what's the cause.
Radioactive.
Hey, look, somebody lost their horns.
Hold on, where's your cousins at? Oh my God! Hey! Hurry before that nigga that was chasing Kid would chase him again. He's like, oh, I think that offends him. Hey, imagine if you see some shit like this in real life, yo.
Oh, we'll look.
Dang, if I had a tongue like that, the girls would love me.
Whoa, what the hell?
What the fuck was that?
I don't know.
These things froze me all in my face like.
They got my camera. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Take a look at the window.
Hey, take pictures, BJ. BJ, take pictures. BJ, to your left.
I can't be real.
You guys keep
Hey, make out your face.
Watch out. I don't know. Toxic waste?
Oh, you got my eye.
My camera is soaked. Remind me to wash it when we get to the tram. But shouldn't be too far now.
It's not that bad. Hold on. Chris, don't get in the way. Don't get in the way.
He got in the way.
I swear to God, this is like Resident Evil.
Who got pubes?
Look at that nigga.
Hey, look, I'm blue. Looked like the military had to get involved, except some of them got consumed.
Were these the old tram cars where people got out?
Perhaps. Dude. Hooray, we're saved. Now get me a towel. I need to wash this thing off.
Screw you, man. I'm not